Hey, do you also struggle with math when it comes to shrinking your fabric? Do you wish there was an easy way to calculate shrinkage percent without breaking a sweat? Well, you are in luck because today we are going to show you how to do it using CLO 3D. But before we dive into that, let me remind you that all our close English classes are also available in Hindi. And to make it easy for you to reach there, those videos are available in our description too. So don't miss out on this opportunity to learn CLO 3D in your preferred language. Hello guys, welcome back to Attiration, the ultimate channel for all about fashion and designing. A little while ago, we taught you how you can shrink your fabric using CLO 3D. But we noticed that some of you are still confused about how to calculate that percent. So we thought, why don't we make another video about it, but with more deeper explanation and some fun examples. So let's get started. For this, I am going to create a 10 by 20 inches rectangle where we will do our experiment. This is our original fabric that we want to shrink. Currently, our 2D and 3D line length is identical because our pattern is not simulated, even once. It's like a flat piece of paper that hasn't been folded or crumbled yet. But as soon as you simulate this, your 3D line length will start changing. It's like when you fold or crumbled a paper and it becomes smaller in size. Let me tell you that these values won't stay constant. They will keep changing depending on how the fabric is held or pulled earlier, whether it's warp or weft. Warp is the lengthwise direction of the fabric and weft is crosswise direction of the fabric. But here we have one thing to notice, that these values won't cross 0.3. They will only be less than this. Now let's imagine that our weft that was 20 in size earlier is only 10 after shrinkage. That means our fabric has become half as wide as before. So how will you calculate weft shrinkage percent? It's very simple. Just follow this formula. After shrinkage value multiplied by 100 divided by before shrinkage value, which means 10 into 100 divided by 20. And our outcome will be 50%. This is the shrinkage percent of our weft. So we will put that percent here and we'll see shrinkage percent of warp now. By the same way, our warp is also shrunk by 7 inches and 3 inches is its actual size now. That means our fabric has become less than half as long as before. So we will apply that same formula again, which gives us 3 into 100 divided by 10 and its result is 30%. Now put this value to your warp shrinkage percent. Now you might be thinking that there is zero impact over our fabric, but as I told you earlier, you have to simulate it to see the changes. After doing that, our fabric will become too small in size. It will look like a tiny square instead of a big rectangle. So our weft that was shrunk by 10 is 10.125 and warp is 3.011 in 3D window. I know these values are not exact, but because a fabric can't have properties of paper, it can stretch and bend and twist in different ways. So the percent's result will fluctuate a little but not that much. But if you want more accuracy, then instead of putting 2D values, you can use your 3D values too. This will help you to get close to your final result. The concept is pretty simple, right? Just put the value in that formula and then put the percent to its relevant place. And voila! You have your shrinkage percent for your fabric using CLO 3D. Hope this video helped you to understand how to calculate shrinkage percent of your fabric using CLO 3D. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in comment box below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos on CLO 3D. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.